QSL, Alpha 1 in Chile. Good evening to you. This is the 007 state of Tennessee there, QSL.
Okay, QSL, Whiskey 700, I think, this is the Chile annotation, Alpha number 1, the 5959, your report for Chile. The 100 here is Alpha Lima, Madame de QSL.
Hey, QSL, Alpha Lima, very good. Q5 signal, 5x7 in the state of Tennessee, USA. You got operator Ken, Kilo Echo November. My numbers are 007. My numbers are 007, QSL.
QSL 000, Ken, okay, W007. This is Alpha 1 from the DX station from Chile. On the QTA here from Calera City, okay? Calera City. I speak for you, Calera, Charlie Alpha Lima Echo Romeo Alpha. Calera City, QSL Ken, go ahead.
Hey, QSL, Calera City, Chile, very good. Q5 signal, 5x9, state of Tennessee. We're located about 20 miles north of Nashville, Music City. We're located about 20 miles north of Nashville, Tennessee. The state is Tennessee. Tango, Echo, November, Echo, Sierra, Echo. The state of Tennessee, back to you.
Okay, QSL, again from Tennessee, W007, this is Alpha 1, the dictation. Okay, Ken, I have on this side amateur radio, okay? And the QSL.com QSL information, okay? But my QSL information on my call sign here is Charlie Echo 2 Bravo India Charlie. I repeat, Charlie Echo number 2B Boston, I Indiana, C California. And the QSL information QSL.com, okay? QSL Ken to Roger.
QSL, very good 100%, very good 100%. My numbers for the QRZ11.net is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. My unit number is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, QSL.
Okay, QSL Ken, W007. This is Alpha 1 of Charlie Echo 2 Boston, Italy, Charlie. Okay, Ken, many thanks for the contact. Good luck with the AP user, and I hope to see you again very soon in frequency. W007, this is Alpha 1 on Charlie Echo 2 Charlie, go.
QSL, very good. Good luck on your DX. All the good numbers to you from my house to yours. Pleasure making contact with you down in Chile. Hope to hear you on the frequency soon, and it's been a pleasure on this end. This is 007, also known as 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, state of Tennessee, USA. We thank you.
Okay, Count W007. This is Charlie Echo 2 Bravo India Charlie for my now. Thank you for the contact. Good luck the APU, and I hope to see you again very soon, Ken. W007. This is Charlie Echo 2 Bravo India Charlie. Bye-bye, see you.
Okay, very 100%. Thank you.